Hello everybody, this is Pei-Xin Xie, and today I will be discussing about blended learning. Blended learning is not the same thing as classroom technology integration or vice versa. Using technology in the classroom is not the same thing as blended learning. So what really is blended learning? Blended learning is any time a student learns at least in part through the internet with some element of student control over time, place, or pace. It should combine the opportunities of face-to-face learning with the opportunities of the online environment. According to our assigned readings, the growth of blended learning is the belief that blended learning is able to meet the educational needs of students, particularly elder learners. An example that was provided in the reading was, many graduate students may have work and family responsibilities. However, a fully online course may not be satisfying to them as many students and instructors lament the loss of face-to-face contact. From this, we can see that blended learning is not just solely relying on the use of technology, but it also requires face-to-face interaction to achieve the best learning experience possible. Moving on to our assigned videos, which talk about the connection between online and offline work. The work students complete online needs to have a direct and obvious connection to the work completed face-to-face. Delivering content and activities online typically gives students more control over their learning, because they can access the content from home to review. Online classrooms and collaborative platforms give students more opportunities to share their thinking, and in this environment, students increasingly look to one another for feedbacks. I really agree with the points that were made in both our assigned reading and videos. I feel like schools should start taking notice in the use of technology. Blended learning not only helps students learn, but also gets them to be more engaged. Students can master specific skills through blended learning because it is a combination of both online environment and face-to-face learning. What they learn online should align with what's being taught in the classroom. After all, I think schools should take advantage of blended learning because it could be very useful for students. This will be the end of my presentation, and today I hope to help you guys better understand what blended learning is and its effectiveness. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.